Hi guys, for this video, review tayo uli para sa mga magtitake dyan ng board exam. Meron tayong sample past board exam question again dito. This is regarding transformer. So basahin natin. The core loss of a 5 kVA single phase transformer with normal voltage applied to primary is 75 watts. The maximum efficiency occurs at 60% of full load. What is the full load efficiency of the transformer at 80% power factor? So guys, pag binanggit na tong maximum efficiency, laging tatatak sa utak nyo ay yung core loss and copper loss ay magiging equal. Okay, sulat ko na yung variable PCU, ito yung copper loss. PCO, ito yung core loss. S, ito yung ating KVA. X, gamitin natin ito as yung load. Okay? And then so ayun na. Okay? So ang formula naman, so yung PCU na to, copper loss, ito yung copper loss lang sa 60%. So iba pa yung PCU at full load. Copper loss. Ang formula niyan ay formula ng PCU ay actually ang formula ng copper loss ay copper loss is equal to square ng load multiplied by full load copper loss. Okay, direct formula lang yan So again, meron na tayo PCU and PCO. Ano daw yun? Kasi dahil equal siya, so core loss daw ay 75, so PCU is equal to 75 also. Okay? So kailangan natin kunin dito yung full load copper loss muna. Kasi ang formula natin for efficiency, so efficiency is equal to S times power factor all over S times power factor plus full load copper loss plus full load copper loss plus core loss. Yan ang formula natin sa efficiency. So meron na tayong S which is 5 kVA, may power factor na tayo. So meron na rin tayong copper loss. So nawawala na lang ay full load copper loss. Okay? So para makuha natin yan, substitute lang natin to. So may copper loss tayo at 60%. Ano daw yon? 75 watts. Okay? So anong load natin dyan? Nangyari yan at 0.6. Anong load? Square times full load copper loss. So para makuha natin full load copper loss, is equal to 75 divided by 0.6 squared. So, ano sagot dyan? Okay? 75 divided by 0.6 squared. So, meron ka 625 over 3. Fraction siya. Meron kang 625 over 3 watts. So, kompleto na. Pwede natin makuha yung efficiency at full load. Okay? So, efficiency at full load is equal to S is 5,000 times 0.8 power factor daw eh. Divided by 5,000 times 0.8 plus bayamanan nito 625 over 3. Ito yung full load copper loss natin plus yung core loss naman which is 75. So compute natin yan. 5,000 times 0.8 times 0.8 plus 625 over 3 plus 75 is equal to 0.938 0.9338. So this is equal to 0.9338. Okay. I-convert natin yan to percent. It will be 93.38%. Okay. So, ano nakuha natin is option B. Okay. So, again guys, lagi yung tatanda kapag maximum efficiency, nagiging equal ang copper loss at core loss. Okay? So, sana may natutunan kayo for this video. Kung di ka pa nakasubscribe, please hit the subscribe button. And good luck sa mga magte-take ng board exam. God bless. Sana pumasa kayo lahat. At salamat.